What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. We're here at the Vermihut Plus. I have a feeding to do for this bin. First, we're going to look to see if there's any food left over. It was lettuce and watermelon, and I doubt there's anything left. See a couple guys on the side, so I'll knock them back in. The pumpkin stem. And the last feeding I added a bunch of bedding over on the side. Okay. I have a pretty neat feeding, but I have to go grab some more bedding. So, with all this bedding, I have to add some grit, and I have two different types. The first is going to be a little bit of this Azomite. Okay, Azomite's ground up pulverized stone. So there's tons of minerals in here for the worms. I'm just going to kind of mix it into that bedding a little bit. Avoid breathing in any of that dust. And my second is the ground up eggshell. Same thing, don't breathe in that dust. Okay, I went ahead and I visited with my brother, and he had this little frozen, we'd call them like a food bomb, and then a bunch of shredded carrots, kale stems, and then the pulp from his juicer. And then there's some, oh, mango, good. I'm actually going ahead and giving them a bit more food than I normally like to, only because I've been going longer, 2 and 3 weeks sometimes, and pretty much everything has gone in that time. So I want to see, with increasing the feeding a little bit, if the next check-in I can see if there's a little bit of food left. Okay, so that is completely filled up now. I like to go ahead and top it with these castings to help hold in some of that moisture, and also help to start getting the biology from the bin in on the feeding area. And because this seems to drop so much, that was basically a 1 gallon bucket full of shredded cardboard that I just added. So hopefully this goes ahead and gives the worms something to eat for the next 2 weeks, and then we'll be checking back in on this. Hopefully the worms enjoy this big feeding and the extra bedding, and then when I check back in on this bin in a few weeks, we'll see how everything's looking. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.